everyone, I'm Hana Dwi Windiana. I will explain about the definition of simple past tense and examples. Definition: the simple past tense, sometimes called period, is used to talk about an event that was complete in the past before the present. The simple past is the basic form of the past tense in English. Event can occur recurrently in the past or long in the past, and the duration of the event is not important. Examples: John went to spend leisure. Maria did her homework last night. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Lisa Buskatandal. I want to explain to you about simple present tense. This tense is usually not used to indicate present time. However, it's used to indicate present time now with the following stative verb: now, believe, hear, see, smell, wish, understand, hate, love, like, want, scan, have, need, appear, send, test, own. Note: the listed above are almost never used in the present or past progressive continuous, although it's possible in some cases. Simple present is used to indicate a regular or habitual action. The first is status verb. For example, they understand the problem now. The second is habitual action. For example, Henry always swims in the evening.
Hello everyone, introduce me to Theo Winizer. I will explain about the simple past tense along with its formulas and examples. Simple past tense is a form of past tense in English. The sentence is used to describe a time in the past. The function of the simple past tense is to explain events or actions that have occurred or describe events that have ended in the past. The verb acted in the tense is the second form of the verb, usually marked with me addition after the word or adjust whether the word is a regular verb or irregular. Positive sentence formulas: subject plus verb to be was or were plus object or adverb. Examples: first, 2 years ago the building was opened for the public. Second, he was in Bandung yesterday. Negative sentence formulas: subject plus was or were plus not plus object or complement. Example: first, I didn't come to your party last night. Sorry. Second, Andre did not receive the announcement last week.
The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. The simple past tense shows that you are talking about something that has already happened. Unlike the past continuous tense, which is used to talk about past events that happened over a period of time. The simple past tense implies that the action is finished. You can also use the simple past to talk about a past state of being, such as the way someone felt about something. How to formulate the simple past for regular verbs? You can add ed to the root form of the verb. For example, from play to played. For others, irregular verbs, including the verbs to be, the simple past forms are more erratic. For example, from see to show. Example from simple past is: first, we drove to the grocery store this afternoon. Second, George cooked dinner for his family Saturday night. Thank you.
Definisi past progressive tense. The past progressive tense, also known as the past continuous tense, is a tense that is asked to talk about ongoing activities at a certain moment in the past. The activities had already started but had not yet been completed at that time. Past progressive tense as function. Below are some functions of the past progressive tense that you can revisit. Talking about an activities happened during a certain period of time in the past indicates that there is a short duration activities that of course when a long duration activities in a progress. So repeated actions or activities in the past or habits. Examples of past progressive tense. I was sleeping all night long. Linda was washing the dishes. I was studying when the phone rang. We were having a very nice picnic when it started in rain. While the cat sleeping, the mice were eating its food. Families asked in positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. Singular noun, I, his, it, John, Mary. Plural noun, you, we, they, books, cars, John, and Mary.
Halo, my name is Catherine Simangungsong, NIM 213215007. Di sini saya akan membacakan simple present tense. Simple present tenses. This tense is actually not as to indication present time, however, it as to indication present time noun with the following stative verb. Noun, understand, have, believe, had, need, heard, love, appear, see, like, seem, smell, what, dances with second hour. Some kids. Simple present is as to indication a regular of habitual occasion. Note: the first little above are almost never as in the present our past progress continues. How it is possible is example. The understand, the problem now. Itu merupakan stative verb. Yang kedua, Henry loves swim in the evening. Habitual action. We went to live noun. Itu stative verb. The coffee tastes delicious. Itu stative verb. Mark actually works to school. Habitual extinction. Your account second bed. Stative verb. Sekian dan terima kasih.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dewi Lestari. Here I will discuss about present progressive tense. Present continuous tense or present progressive tense is tenses used to express an action or event that is currently taking place or future plans. Example sentence: she is dancing now. Present continuous tense formula. For the positive sentence, subject plus be is am/are plus verb 1 ing. Example sentence: I am singing. For the negative sentence, subject plus be is am/are plus verb 1 ing. Example sentence: I am not singing. For interrogative sentence, be is am/are plus subject plus verb 1 ing. Example sentence: am are singing. Function number 1. To express an activity that is taking place now. Example: Putra is cooking fruit right now. Number 2. To express action that are happening now, but don't happen when they are spoken. Example: Jerry is working as a doctor. Number 3. To express a coming activities but that time is not too long. Example, I am meeting Melanie tonight.